Everybody tells you that you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to monetize your channel. And that is true. Did you know that you don't actually need any of that to monetize your channel? And there is a much better way to do it if you change your strategy completely and don't rely on YouTube ad revenues in the first place. This is what I'm going to talk about today. Hi, Jacopo here, and today I wanted to create a video that I wish I watched in 2016 when my wife and I founded Lazy Dancer Tips, the channel that we grew over 200,000 subscribers and created a business all around it. So when we started, the only strategy we had was to just grow the channel as fast as possible, get monetized on YouTube, and pretty much leave off the ad revenues. The truth is, when you actually get monetized, if you don't have a huge amount of views, it's pretty low. And after all the hard work to actually make the videos, being paid barely $1 for 1,000 views from YouTube is very disheartening. We wasted months trying to get monetized on our channel, and it became pretty obvious to us that had to be a better way for us to earn money, because ad revenue by itself doesn't really work as a strategy unless you have millions of subscribers, which is not really easy to do anyway. What we figured out was that we needed to learn how to sell our own products, our own digital products, to our audience. We spent months trying to research marketing and sales and website and designs and funnels and all the things that you probably should study too. But today I want to give you the very simplest way for you to come up with a digital product that can sell by itself and use your channel to drive traffic to it. You only need two main resources for this to work. One is your free opt-in product. Your free opt-in product is a resource that you can give out to your audience on your channel. So you're not selling anything. Because when people are on social media, they don't want to be sold to. They are there because they want to learn something, they want to be entertained, and if they find your content valuable, they might want additional resources from you, they want to stay in touch with you. So the best way to keep them into your ecosystem, into your world, is to add them to your mailing list. So you should have a software like MailChimp where you can actually collect emails, and a web builder where you can have one single page, no more complicated than that, where people can land on, click on one button and download your resources in exchange for their email. So if you've got zero budget whatsoever, jump on WordPress, create a simple website and create one single web page. You don't need the whole website, just one web page. Then go on Canva, which is free for most of their features, and create a document with some of the most valuable tips, secrets, mistakes that your audience will enjoy learning from, and you can get them results in advance. So your YouTube videos will be a source of value, but another resource like a free PDF with a cheat sheet of things that you can help them achieve some results will be even more valuable, but also you gain their emails in exchange. The first time we did this was back in January 2017, I think, and we gained 1,000 emails from one single video and one single PDF. This is how powerful it could be, because 1,000 emails are 1,000 of your YouTube people that actually committed to give you an email and stay in touch with you. So a high value and highly committed people. Then the second thing you need is a minimum viable product. If we are talking digital products, I highly suggest you do some kind of a mini course about a specific topic. So you have your free opt-in product, which is for free, just in exchange for their emails. And then your minimum viable product, your mini course, is going to be in a thank you page. And that's when you sell them something. It could be something very small, like a $27, $47, $97, which is going to be a no-brainer for people that are already committed for more of your content. That is the most simple funnel that you can create. Just keep it good enough. Make sure it's full of value as much as you can. Don't think about graphic design, logos, and anything like that. As long as you have a free opt-in product and nothing else, you could just have that link in every video you make on YouTube. This way you'll grow your list. People that will be ready to buy from you will buy the mini course when they're ready. And what you do with your YouTube channel is just driving traffic to the opt-in page that you just created. So your list will grow, your contacts, they are highly committed in your mailing list. You get the chance to send them emails whenever you want without having to rely on YouTube and notifications. Send them emails with more value every single time and just remind them that you've got a paid product that they can purchase if they want the next level of support from you, because you can share with them more resources and they will gladly pay for something that is not available on your YouTube channel, or you can help them at a higher level. We use Kajabi as a software to pretty much do everything I just explained, but you can use whatever you want as long as you are able to link pages one after the other. Does this sound simple to you? Does this sound complicated? Let me know, because I tend to underestimate the power of all of these tools put together, because we've been working with this stuff for a long time. But if something is not clear to you, just let me know what is not clear to you, or what kind of steps are you stuck on. Maybe it's the sales copy, maybe it's how to create a landing page, maybe it's how to create a mini course, maybe or what software should I use. Whatever it is, drop it in the comments so I can know what videos to do for you and how to help you out for the next step. This way of not selling to your audience but actually being profitable on a back end helped us going from complete broke YouTubers to growing a business that was soon to become a six-figure one. By just giving more value the right way, we actually impacted way more people than we thought possible, and they thanked us for it. Because if you don't offer anything for sale to these people, they might just go and watch somebody else's videos that might have a free resource that will land on their landing page and buy something for somebody else. So you're leaving money on the table, you're leaving impact on the table, and I don't want that for you, because I know how it feels. But if you're still trying to launch your channel and you don't want to make all the mistakes that most YouTubers do, I've got a free guide that will help you avoid few of the worst mistakes that I see people do around. And if you want, you can click on the link in the description and then you can watch it and implement it right away and avoid those problems, grow your channel faster and increase your traffic to your offers and opt-in products. And if your videos have got less than 1,000 views, this is definitely a video you should watch right now.